OnePlus will unveil its new gaming smartphone, the Ace 6 Ultra, on April 28, and the day before that, the company announced that it will also release a special case that will turn the device into a portable gaming console. The controller features physical shoulder triggers, 1000 Hz polling rate, and an active cooling fan. The video and images released by the company show a removable magnetic cooling fan designed to dissipate heat during long gaming sessions, a built-in gaming antenna for stronger signal reception, and a USB-C port for charging. OnePlus has revealed another look for the Ace 6 Ultra called Metal Storm. The phone features large R-angle rounded corners for ergonomic comfort during long sessions. The device is expected to be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 SoC, positioning it firmly in the high-performance segment. Expected to feature a 6.8-inch OLED flat panel with a high 165 Hz refresh rate. Early reports suggest cameras may take a back seat compared to performance, potentially retaining a 50MP primary and 8MP ultra-wide setup similar. The OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra is confirmed to feature a huge 8600 mAh Glacier battery, silicon carbon, paired with 120W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.